Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look my hostel room tour and this will be a great video, so watch the video till end, and if you are new to this channel please subscribe the channel, it would be great. So let's get started and look at completely hostel room. And in this hostel room would be not everything that all the things would be arranged, it would be a real room, and let's look out it. Alright, basically I have a room in a corner room. This is my room, and basically it must be a dark room. One, we have a glowing night lamp room. It is a light sensing, so as we turn on the lights, as you can see, it will be automatically off. So here we have, then here closing the door. One, we have a hanging. We used to hang all the key or mask or something. Then here we have one mirror, so you can look through it and get ready. Then second thing, one, we have a bucket for bathing and all those kind of stuff. Then one laundry bag among us. Then basically, so here a typical section of an VIT about desk, chair, cupboard, and bed up we have. And this is a two-bedded AC room, so you can look through it, and it is a little bit spacious room. So if any person wanted to sleep down, then he can sleep it. So first we'll cover this section, then we'll look further. So here, this is a desk. Here you can keep all those desk and all stuff and do a study work. This is a really looks like this way. Then we have one fan, a light, and here a few of the switches we used to get. Here the cupboard, so you can arrange all kind of your clothes and everything stuff like this way. So you can arrange it according to you. There is no specific sets. Then second, all your stuff you can arrange in this tutorial, all the food items and everything. And this is basically this much type of a section you can get, and this is a typical section, and everyone has a same type of this type of section. Everyone has same, and up you can sleep upside, and you can have a prettier night time. Then coming to the forward, I used to sleep below on the floor, and here this is a complete section of my roommate. Right now he is having a class, so he is not there. And here above him we used to keep all the luggage back, so you can look on it and get a clear idea. Then basically here also we have few socket. One, we have all out, and one here you can see a night light. You can see a night lamp also, and basically this there is an also window, and here we used to hang our clothes, and basically this much stuff. So basically a small two-bedded AC room, and here below we used to keep all the clothes. So this is a pretty much small room, and two people can easily accommodate in it and stay pretty well. And there has been no issue in hostel room. Hostel rooms have also been quite good, and each and everything have been pretty well. All the fans and the lights and everything have been working fine. AC has also been working fine, so there will be no issue. So this is this was typically a two-bedded AC room. And if you wanted to know more about different types of room, comment down, or you can also go to the link in the video's description. I have made a couple of videos, so you can check it out. That's pretty much for this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, it would be great, and comment down all your queries or doubts you have. And I'm in the campus, so there will be more interesting videos coming during at this time. So let's look out it. See you in the next video. Till that time, keep learning, keep exploring.